In this video, we're going to show you how to install the knock sensor on your Toyota Camry located on the back side of your engine. In order to access your knock sensor, it is on the back side of the engine or underneath. So you want to go between the oil pan and the subframe up above the passenger side CV axle shaft here. You're going to reach up. You're going to locate the sensor right here. It's on the back side of the block underneath the intake manifold. You're going to pinch this little plastic clip here and pull the electrical connector off. Go ahead and tuck that off to the side. From here, we want to go ahead and use a 27mm socket to loosen and remove this from the back side of the engine. We're using our 27mm socket on our 1/2-inch drive ratchet. So go ahead and get on there. Now, if you can't loosen it with the ratchet, you can go ahead and use a breaker bar and something like this here. And once you have that loose, go ahead and reach up there, unthread this unit. Install the knock sensor. I'm going to start threading this in by hand. I'll thread it in as far as I can. We now want to go ahead and torque this down to 27 foot-pounds. Now it is critical for torque specs on this component for it to operate properly. Don't just tighten it. Once it's torqued, go ahead and grab that electrical connector, line that up, push it on. You can feel and hear it snap into place. At this point here, you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.